welcome back to the Mini Me Lifestyle channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. Please do me a favor, click on the subscribe button and you can also click on the notification bell so that every time we have a new upload, you'll be the first to know. So today I'm going to be taking you into a room that we just designed for a little girl named Ademide. So Ademide's mom called me up one day and said she wanted a room makeover for her daughter, and of course that's what we do at Mini Nigeria. So I was of course happy and glad to be able to go on this journey with her. We went for the inspection of the room. We were to change the doors, the AC cover, because it's one of these buildings that has been in Lagos for a long time. It's all one of these old buildings, and we had to change a lot of things that have gone out of fashion in order to fit into something more beautiful and more serene for a little girl. On the first day of doing the job, because we had 2 weeks to deliver this room, on the first day we came, we removed all the things that need to be removed, like the door, the rod, the wooden cutting rod, and of course the AC panel that has worn out, like, and outlived its usefulness. So we also used that day to paint the room. I wanted them to paint the room a pink and white color, mostly white and a touch of pink. Why? Because I believe that white brightens up a room. If you have a small room and you want it to look bigger, all you need to do is just paint it the color. We just give it a fresh coat of white paint and it will just brighten up the whole place. We because of our minimal budget for interior decor, for the decorative part of the room, we also needed to have a statement wall that will not cost too much. So what we did is that we painted the stripes white and pink. White and pink stripes that is also in a horizontal lines. We all know that horizontal lines make the space look wider. So because I was trying to give that room an illusion of a wide space, like the room is big, I also add them paints, the pink and white horizontal stripes, which also give that particular wall a lift and a boost. So we didn't really need to do much because the room was looking good already with the white and pink stripes. On the second day of installation, we first of all proceeded to laying the most beautiful wooden floor carpet. Like, wooden floors are great, but if you are trying to look for a cheaper option, getting a 4 wooden carpet is just the best way to go because it's cheaper and you really can't tell the difference most times unless you of course work on it. It looks exactly the same. And we used the wooden floor carpets to lay the floor and cover the old terrazzo floors that were in the room, because that terrazzo floors did not fit into the kind of mood we were trying to create in that room. Then we proceeded to hang in the curtains. I got these really beautiful white day blinds curtains. It's so gorgeous. It's white and it had like this embroidery of pink in it. Obviously goes very well with our color palette. And then we used the lemon curtains on top. Very nice, also with a little bit of metallic finish. We brought in the furniture. Bed in order to create more working room for her, and then inside that couch bed there's storage underneath for her to put some of her clothes or some of her things that she wants to keep. And also we brought in a wardrobe, a mini wardrobe, where she can put in her clothes, hang her clothes, and then table and chair for reading. The table and chair has like a set of drawers underneath that can be moved around, and also there is a bookshelf in it. So if you're interested in this particular furniture, it's called their DVD set. It's available on our website. Moving forward, of course we had to put in some decorative pieces. So I got these really nice stickers, and I used it's also in our color palette with lemon green, a little touch of darker green, and a little touch of olive green. So to bring the whole look together, I put it on the horizontal wall, stripe wall, to also give that wall a little boost. And then I put it from the light going down as if the flowers were falling. And then I also put in frames, 3 frames, one which says Princess Ademide, the other one which says I love you to the moon and back, and the third one which says stay cute, of course, because we want her to stay cute. I wanted to also do something special because I was looking for some night lights that would fit into Ademide's room, and we had like a 3K budget to do that, and I couldn't find something like that in the market that I would want that would complement that room. So we decided to do it ourselves. I got some paper lanterns and string lights, and I put the string lights into the paper lantern and hung it, and I put in what we used to hook the light. And then we all beautiful, by the way. And then we also got beddings and throw pillows. Of course, because of the whole coronavirus thing, we could not import a lot of things. All the things I ordered a rug for another project since January, and it still has not arrived as of now. So our prayers are with China and the countries, China, Italy, and all the countries that have been deeply affected by the coronavirus. So of course we had to improvise and work with what we have here in Nigeria. So I got some fabrics, I made my own throw pillows, and we also got this really beautiful burdens from the market, which had my lemon vibe going on. It's a two-face bedding, and it had the one on the back is pure lemon, while the one on the front had that same color I had going on the wall. I have going on the wall, which is the olive green, the darker shade of green, and mostly the lemon green that we are working with. Decorate the bookshelves. I put in I used a gold glitter paper to write her name, Ademide Let's Read, of course, to remind our baby girl to read her books, because readers are leaders. By the time we were done with this room, it was so splendid. I think they was happy, our mom was pleased, everybody was happy, and we finally was able to create the room that she wanted, the Pinterest look that she was going for. children, I'm a wife, and I'm also a business owner. So Minimi Nigeria is a furniture and kiddies interior design company that I run. Please follow me on my social media pages at minimi_ng if you want to see kiddies interior design that we have worked on, and also in case you're interested in buying some furniture for your children. Or you can follow me at minimi lifestyle_ for updates about our lifestyle and what we do. I do a lot of Montessori at home videos. I do a lot of just basically general parenting videos. If you want to see more of these videos, just please click on the link and go. See right there, there's a video on how to spot a good Montessori school, and just right above here you're going to see the last stripe room that I make. You need to go check it out. Thank you very much, and God bless you. I will see you on my next one. Meanwhile, have you subscribed yet? Please do not stop this video without subscribing. Please subscribe, click it right now, and also you can click on the notification bell so that you can get every time I upload a video, you will not miss it. Thank you, God bless you, and I will see you in my next one.